The trailer tow hitch cover on your 2021-2023 Chevy Tahoe protects the hitch receiver from dirt and debris and enhances the vehicle's look. Removing it is necessary to attach trailers or accessories like bike racks. For this simple DIY task, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool optional, gloves for safety, and about 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure your Tahoe is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged before you begin. Remember, forcing the cover off can cause damage, so proceed carefully. First, locate the hitch receiver under the rear bumper. Insert your flathead screwdriver or trim tool into the small slot or hole on the cover. Gently pry the cover outward, twisting the tool if needed. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once loosened, pull the cover straight out. Inspect the receiver for dirt or debris and clean if necessary. To reinstall, align the cover and press firmly until it clicks into place. Tug on it gently to ensure it's secure. Now you're ready to attach your trailer or accessory.